Hey everybody, Scott with Scott Sheetrock Services, coming from you from West Houston, also known as Katy, Texas. Just want to show you all the difference between a few tapes and one in particular that I found that I really fell in love with. So this is mesh tape. This is what most people who don't know what they're doing use. In 27 years of doing drywall, I've fixed hundreds of joints that have cracked because this tape is insufficient. So I would not say to use this. The reason most people use this is because regular paper tape is harder to use. If you don't put enough mud on the joint, after you wipe the tape, it'll tend to blister on you if you're not really careful or know what you're doing. So this is a new tape that I've been using about a year now. It's called, I don't know if you can get in there and see it, I don't have new rolls, called Fiber Fuse. It is also a mesh tape in style, I'll say, but it's a different kind of tape in the sense of it's sturdy, it's strong, and it's fairly porous, but not really. So it actually covers the joint, and it's really, really easy to tape, and it's really easy to put it on without it blistering. And then you can apply joint compound directly over it without it shrinking up as regular tape does. So I'm gonna mix some mud, and then I'm gonna demonstrate. Hey everybody, back now with some mud, mixed up a pan of plaster. Which another video I'll show y'all how to seal and repair. We had to replace the sheetrock, which we already did, so I mud that joint nice and even. Just like this. Alright, so I've got it nice and even because I know what I'm doing. A lot of people tend to put that mud on in a little area like this. I'm just going to take that mud almost all the way off. And I'm going to show you why this tape is fairly foolproof. So again, this is a fiber fuse. So put that on just like this over the wet and the dry spot. And so technically when you use regular tape, if you have a dry spot and you wipe it like that, that'll tend to blister. And if you can see, there's no mud here. I'm gonna wipe this whole joint just like this. Tear there. So where I am blistered, I can literally just put mud just like that and spot it, and it goes right through it. So there's no way to blister it. So I'll show you one more time. Maybe move over here. So we'll do the same thing on this joint. So it's really foolproof. Obviously you want to try and have a nice even coat of mud behind the tape before you apply it. But again, if you have trouble getting it on nice and even, you can just put the tape on and then mud right over it. Make sure that you cover the tape completely and kind of pack it in. Again, we'll do this. This is a 6-inch knife that I'm using to tape with. You can use a 4 or 5, doesn't matter. A lot of times I like to wipe one side, so I'll put more pressure on the outside, not a lot on the inside, just to get that outside corner. And do the same thing on both sides. Like that. And like that. It's really that simple. Any questions, comments, just hit me up in my email. And if there's any particular videos or demonstration that you like, you can add that into the suggestions as well. Talk to y'all next time. Thanks.